Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back to another video. This is the Honor 600 Pro hands-on first impressions video. If you like authentic and raw videos, hit that like button and subscribe. Huge thanks to Honor UK for providing the 600 Pro to test to make a video about. Let's start with the obvious, the elephant in the room, which is the design of the 600 Pro. I don't mind the design, looks very familiar to a brand you probably know. I do like the colors of the 600 Pro, especially the golden white color. Also comes in black and orange. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite color. I really like the form factor of the 600 Pro. I think it's a perfect size. The display is 6.57-inch AMOLED screen, which is super bright, 8000 nits brightness. This is just insane if you're outdoor. I think it's a perfect size because many people probably is going to use a case, but if you decide to use the phone without case, naked, it's fantastic feeling. I do like the corners, feels very nice in hands. So overall the design looks very nice, the display is super bright. I like this form factor. For the cameras, we have 200 megapixel main, 50 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Stay tuned for the separate camera review, planning to do that soon. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to cover specific features of the cameras of the 600 Pro. Something that is very impressive is that the 600 Pro is thick only 7.8 millimeters, less than 200 grams, and Honor actually managed to put inside 6400 mAh battery. If you think about it, this is a battery that obviously belongs to a tablet, and they managed to put that inside here, which is insane in my opinion. Planning to test the battery, so stay tuned for that. 6200 mAh is huge, especially for this small body, very thick, like I said, 7.8 millimeters only. This is fantastic in my opinion. I'm gonna test the battery. Again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. To charge this massive 6400 mAh battery, you have 80 watt wired supercharge, 50 watt wireless, and even 27 watt reverse charging. The performance, we have 8 Gen 5 Snapdragon here, which is fantastic for gaming, multitasking. In terms of performance, you're not gonna be disappointed. Again, this phone for some reason is being targeted as a mid-range, but it has like a very specific features that obviously towards to more flagship. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about that. I know specs on the paper are just fine, but when you use the phone on a daily basis, then you realize actually how good is the device. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far here. Again, I don't mind the design that looks like very similar to another brand. The more important is the feeling of the actual smartphone, how you're gonna use it every day with the specs. So yeah, pretty cool so far. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the 600 Pro. Again, this is just first impressions video. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.